Hello everyone, so today we are on an urbanisation called Camposol. We're down here near the port of Matharon. We're only 20 minutes from beaches and 30 minutes from Cervera, Murcia International Airport. Not too far, so we're in a really good location here, very central, and we are on the Costa Calida. So I've got this lovely Rosa Style property to show you. It has been reformed, it's absolutely stunning. So let me take you in and we have a look around together. We are on Sector A for a start, so we're just very close to amenities. You have off-road parking there, and that is an electric gate. You have a pedestrian gate, high walls for privacy. So let's go inside. Nice wide road here as well. And I show you down each end. So I'll take you through here now. Now to the side there is the way out to the pool, and upstairs is a top box, or a pod as they call it. I'm going to bring you down here first and we'll have a look around the property. This is your off-road parking here with your electric gate, and there's enough for a small car here. Okay, now on the conservatory it has got tinted windows, and that's so the sunshine keeps it at bay, as I should say. It doesn't make the room that hot that it's unbearable to sit in. You have got an awning and you've got solar lights up there as well. So it's easy access. You've only got a couple of steps to get in, which is really great. Nice decorative balustrade. And then we're inside. Now, just as I walk in, you can see there is a modern ceiling light and fan. These are nice and modern, these above. You've got insect screens on the windows, blackout blinds and wreckers. Beautiful marble flooring, and that is throughout. You've also got a little bit of storage there. And you have a nice terrace just out there if you just want to sit and have a coffee. So you could sit out here in the morning and just have your breakfast, a nice cup of coffee in the sunshine, or you could sit indoors in the winter, have your coffee in there and read a newspaper. So let me take you inside. So we're just going inside the house. You have got an alarm on here. The wrecker has insect screens as well, and you've got this very modern security door with a peephole. Now as I pan around, you can see how beautiful this property is. Now it has brand new boilers. It has the central heating boiler and a gas boiler, which is brand new. Central heating, the aircon and the ceiling lights and fans, all brand new. So this house, you can just come in with your suitcase and just live in it. It's really done very well to a very high standard, as you can see. So I'm going to take you over here, and we do from a different angle. So you have dual aspect windows, as you can see just there. And if I lower the camera down, you can see this marble flooring that goes throughout the property. Now just over here is your kitchen. So the people have taken the archway out in the Rosa, brought the kitchen all the way around, and just makes it so much bigger. Where the fridge is, sometimes people put a little island there with bar stools. But I think it's a great way to make the kitchen a lot bigger if you want a large kitchen. Now in this kitchen, of course, very modern colours, and you have got plenty of top and base units. You've got an integrated oven and microwave oven, and an integrated gas hob and hood extractor. Just there you've got your water filter tap and your sink, and plenty of space in this kitchen. You've got your aircon, and just above you've got these lovely spotlights as well. So I'm going to take you around and we'll go into the other bedrooms. Again, you can see, I'm just going to put the light on here for a moment. You have this beautiful modern light above, which illuminates the hallway beautifully, and you have these internal new doors here. Okay. Now just in here, this is one of the guest rooms. It's beautiful, bright and airy in here. Just going to shut the door behind me. So you have got aircon, got records and blackout blinds and insect screens on the windows. And just under the window there, you have got your radiator. Just above, of course, you got your modern ceiling light and fan. And I'm going to take you up here. I'm going to pan around just so you can get a feel for the room. So a nice, good, large size bedroom. Okay, beautiful palm trees outside, and that overlooks the pool area as well. So this is a nice shower room. It's a double shower, as you can see, and it's got a semi-clear, it's kind of semi-frosted and semi-clear shower screen that shuts like a door there. You have your WC and your washing machine, which is in a different area to where it normally is in a Rosa, and you got your sink and vanity unit just there. So as you can see, you have a rain head shower, very modern shower here as well. Really very nice. And if I just pan around, this is like it's kind of a utility area as well. You also have your heated towel rail just there, just by your sink and vanity unit. Nice large mirror as well. Okay, so let's go in and we'll have a look around the bedroom with an ensuite. You've also got sockets there as well, and sockets above the door. Now in here it's lovely, bright and airy, as you can see. Oops. So just in here you have your large double wardrobe, and that's the sliding doors that go across very easy. Now this bedroom is beautiful. The sunlight is just illuminating this room lovely. You have aircon, you have your ceiling light and fan, blackout blinds, insect screens, and your radiator under the window. The nice large TV there, and your TV point and everything else. Beautiful marble flooring throughout the property. So I'll just come down here to show you that this overlooks that beautiful swimming pool outside. Now, you have got an ensuite just down there. We'll have a look in there. And again, it's semi-frosted and semi-clear. You have got your mirror with your vanity unit, and you've got your heated towel rail. Frosted glass window there. If I shut the door behind me now, your WC is just behind the door. So it makes it nice and spacious for you as well. And again, you've got a nice modern shower unit. Okay. So I'm going to take you around, and we'll go out and around and have a look at that beautiful pool area where you can relax. Now this property is so beautiful. It's really bright and airy and feels nice and fresh as well. And I particularly like that area there with the lights by the TV. So, fabulous kitchen. What more could you want? So let's go down here and have a look around. So this is the pool area, guys. As you can see, a bit raised here. Got a lovely barbecue there. I'm just going to go down these few steps here. Now there is a little bit of an underbuild there, and you got switches there, but that's just for storage. Got lovely areas where you can sit and relax. You got your pool pump over there, fantastic large pool, and of course that beautiful pergola where you can sit and have some lunch. To show you the barbecue here, and you have your shower. Oh, there is, it's always a surprise in these houses. So there is an underbuilt here. I didn't see that at first, so let's have a look down there. Well, look at this. So this is an underbuilt. Now I know we've got that other little bit I just showed you, but then I didn't see this. So this is a surprise, and you got a new boiler down here. And this is a great little man cave if you wanted it just to do, or maybe a sewing room for her indoors, you know. So you can put all your bits and pieces in here. So it's quite big, and you got electric to it. So let me take you just round here. I love discovering different little nooks and places to go in these villas, because each one is different and all very unique. Now we're back out here on this beautiful pool area where the walls are raised for privacy. You've got your barbecue here with all your tools. Got some storage, and you've got a shower there. Well, just in here, it's a lovely bar area. Look at this. How nice is this? You have got little tiny lights, so at night I would imagine they all look like stars and they twinkle. And that's a palm tree going up through there. You've got your wine fridge or your beer fridge there. Nice little place to sit. Oh. And it's just nice where you can chill. So I also have to show you there is a third bedroom, and that's in a top box or a pod in this place. So I'm going up there in a moment. So just over here, another area where you can just relax and have your lunch. Really beautiful. So I'm going to walk down to the end of the pool and walk around. That pool looks very inviting, and I got to say, the hotter it gets, the more inviting it becomes. It is lovely weather here, and we are only in May. Now there is a nice little chair there where you can sit, in a swing chair. Just going around the side of the building. You got your central heating tank there, you got some storage, and this is your pedestrian gate where I came in. And I'm just going to take you upstairs. So I see you at the top, guys. So in here you have a nice extra bedroom. So this is great for family or friends who's ever staying over. You have a ceiling light and fan above. You've got a window here. You've got sockets and switches on either side. With a switch on this side, and over there you've got for a charger for your phone. You've got a nice little window there. You've also got an area, you've got sockets there. So you could put a little table, you could put a tea space, a little fridge or whatever you wanted there if you had guests and you didn't want them to come down first thing in the morning, so they could make their own breakfast and they could actually sit out there on the rooftop terrace. And further on where those trees are, that's a beautiful park here on Sector A. So I'm just going to take you into the bathroom, the ensuite. Now I'll just open this up. So you've got a nice little WC, sink and vanity unit, and you've got plenty of storage in here as well. Whoops, camera's not doing what I want to do this morning. And you have got a nice shower just there. It's a double shower really, isn't it? So it's that nice unit rain head shower. Oh my god, guys, what do you think of this? Isn't it absolutely stunning? You don't need to do anything to this property at all. Just bring your suitcases in, put them down and move in. It's absolutely stunning, this property. Now you've got a fantastic pool that I got to say, I do fancy a little dicky dive because it's getting quite hot out here. But it's beautiful, and the walls are raised for privacy as well. You're very near Murcia International Airport. You're about a 30-minute drive. You're short walk from the amenities here, and you've got the hospital down there, you've got the play parks for the little kiddies, you've got the doggy park, you've got it all around here, so it's a great location. So if you are interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. Check out the website as well, and I will leave the reference number in the title of the video. So if you are interested in this property, do put the reference number in so the people that work in the office will know which property you're inquiring about. Makes things so much easier on the staff. So until the next time, take care, have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.